everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a review on the new Ecostyler gel, and I'm also going to do a wash and go to also test out a new product that I'm using, the Shea Moisture Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie. So I'm just applying water first, and I'm going to add some olive oil. This is virgin olive oil, the same as blessed oil. Yes, girl, from the church. This is just to moisturize my hair as an oil. And this is the gel. This was $18. Like, I'm gonna give you all the real tea about this $18. But yes, this is a curl enhancing smoothie from Shea Moisture. If you're not wanting to like really try this like big jar, you can get the small packets from Walmart. They actually have the smaller bottles too for, like, you know, travel size. But honestly, my opinion already, like, this product is really bomb. Like, it really is. Like, it actually gives my curls like definition without even using the gel. Like, you can tell, like, after I do like a few swipes with this dimming brush or bristle brush or whatever, you can tell how my like curls are like forming, like they're getting a little, you know, a little curly here. And so I think that this would be a really nice product for a wash and go. And this is not like, not even using the gel yet. Yes, this t-shirt is so messy. So yeah, with these types of products, you might as well get a towel. But like, look at the product, like how it just lathers through my hair. So I'm definitely going to do a separate tutorial or like show you guys how I do wash and goes. So now I'm just adding the gel, and it is honestly a lightweight type of gel. I believe it is a 8 for hold, and it just for one, it smells good, but like, I mean, look at it, like it's really nice. And I'm not the one to hype up products, honestly, but I know with last year when I tried my wash and go with the black castor oil, it just was a mess. Like, I don't know what it was. It might have been the products that I'm using or that I used at first, but this combination is nice. Even though you see like the white residue, it's going to dry up. Like, it's, this combination is just like perfect. So I also did some shingles also to, like, you know, define my hair even more, but like shingling takes forever, so I just rather just use the brush. And so I'm just gonna go in random sections and just apply the water and then the oil and then the curl enhancing smoothie and then the gel. Now, I did want to just try the gel by itself in the video, but I really wanted to see what it was like with a product, because I mean, the gel itself is nice. I've seen a lot of other girls do the review and it held up nicely, but since I'm doing a wash and go, to avoid like having over manipulation on my hair, since I just cut my hair recently, I just want to show you guys how my curls revert back from all of these heat styling videos that I've been doing. And click the description box or check the card up above if you want to see those heat straightening videos. But yeah, you can see that my curls totally reverted, like they're popping. And this is the actual side that I actually did the straightening on. So yeah, that's basically what I'm doing throughout this whole video. It's just adding the oil. Now, instead of using extra olive virgin oil, you can also use coconut oil, but this is just what I had. Olive oil is a really good conditioner, so I just chose to use that. And I think this time what makes my wash and go look much better is that I'm only using a little, well, not a little, but I'm using a generous, like, I don't know how to say it right now, but I'm using a nice amount of product, but not too much. I think last year, if you want to check that video out, my last year's wash and go with the Ecostyler gel, the black castor oil and flaxseed, I used way too much Cantu leave-in conditioner, and it was just too residuey looking, and it was just like a mess. It was really, really crunchy. But with these curls, I'm just gonna give you a spoiler. Like, the curls were popping without like the crunch, if that makes sense. Like, the curls are really soft and they hold, but they aren't like crunchy and flaky. And that's with this product, so I can imagine that it doesn't flake up either without products. So I think that was a key game changer. I was really expecting to have some heat damage because I did like 3 videos back to back straightening my hair, and that's the most I've ever straightened my hair in a whole year. But you can tell how my curls have like shrinking up or whatever. The shrinkage is real, basically. And I really hate that about this side of my hair, or both sides. That's really why I don't do too many like wash and goes, because I feel like a little child. Like I look like a little girl already, even though the curls are popping. But I just want to do this video for you girls, to encourage you girls to embrace your natural curls. And you can rock this hairstyle in different ways after you're done. You know, if you want to do like some high poofs or buns or something like that, you don't have to wear it down if it's short and you feel insecure about it. So yeah, I'm just gonna shut up and let you guys enjoy the rest of the video for now. Okay, so for now, this side, I would think that this is the side that has the most damage, but it actually has none. Now you can tell I'm sleeking my edges down with this gel, and honestly, the difference between this gel and the rest of the Ecostyler gels, especially like the olive oil and the argan oil, is that it doesn't hold like your edges down as good as the ones that are labeled with number 10. This is labeled as number 8 when it comes to hold, but that's a good thing, because when it comes to doing wash and goes and stuff like that with your other hair parts aside from your edges, it holds those curls very well and without being like weighed heavily or feeling crunchy. So I mean, chances are if you're already watching this video, you already have at least argan oil or the olive oil Ecostyler gel at home, so you can just substitute that for your edges just to sleek them down. I am going to give this gel another try in my next video. Comment below if you guys think that I should do a high poof tutorial, another updated one from my 2016 tutorial. Thumbs up and comment below if you want me to do that. But I think that would be a cute idea to do that following this wash and go. As you guys know, I am on a new hair journey. I just cut my hair to a blunt cut bob, like a little bit past my shoulders, and I plan to get like at least like bra strap length by the end of this year. And I want to keep all heat off of my hair, and I want to do like less manipulation, but I do want to try like more wash and goes and more curly hairstyles, because to me they are like low manipulation. I'm not like, you know, damaging my hair with like dry or heat tools. So this is just what my goals are. But this is just the look of, you know, what's going on in the back. I didn't have time to really shingle on camera, and my lighting and everything is just kind of off, so I just waited and let it dry like this off camera. And I did do a few shingles towards the top, like where I did in the beginning of the video, where I just twirled one piece, but that takes forever. So yeah, this is just kind of what I did for now. And I thought that the middle part was kind of ugly because my hair is like awkward length, so I just left it as a mushroom. Alright, and this is about an hour later. After it's about halfway dry, you can tell that the curls have, some of them have been shingled, but you can tell like how they're looking. They're really defined, and some of the product is still in it. So later on, after everything dried up, you see there's no product like cream or like residue in my hair, and it's not like crunchy. There's still sheen to it. I probably didn't do it the best that I could, but for this being my second time doing a wash and go, I think that the curls are very defined and super cute and bouncy at the same time. So my overall rating would have to be I would say an 8 out of 10. But I'm going to try and see how my curly poof does. Thank you guys for watching and check out my previous videos. Bye!